Are you confused on using Google Home for personal use versus your office tasks? Well, with Google Home, you can easily create and manage routines. As you can see, I'm on the official support Google page here. Now, for example, as you can read here, you can create a personal routine that starts when you say, Hey Google, good morning. Google Assistant then turns on your compatible smart lights, tells you about the weather, lists your calendar events for the day, and plays news. So you can use it to manage various electric appliances, right? You can also use it to for your personal work, where you can manage your calendar, manage your routine as well. A household routine that makes an announcement at a certain time of the day on your chosen home devices. A household routine where Google Home turns on your connected porch light and sets the thermostat to 75 degrees every day at sunset. A household routine that starts when anyone turns on the living room TV. Google Assistant then performs a custom command like turn on the amplifier and such. Now on Android, you can see you can create a personal routine, you can create a household routine, and you can manage the routine as well easily. Hope this video helped. To like and subscribe.